Thinking ahead. Moving forward. We're very happy to announce that a European customer recently bought many welding manipulators from our company. We highly recommend that you watch this video to learn more about our welding column booms and how it can be used to improve your welding job. Welding machines are essential for any welding job, and this video will show you just how powerful and versatile our machine is. By watching this video, you will be able to decide if our welding machine is the right option for your welding job, and you will be able to learn about the features and benefits of our machine. Boom and column. Welding manipulators. Welding manipulators are ideal for automatic submerge arc welding sub-arc, usually for longitudinal seams and circumferential seams of pressure vessels, boilers, wind towers, pipes, etc. Specs. Model BCZ series. Welding manipulators for sub-arc welding. Variable boom speed to adjust to welding procedure. Motorized boom height adjustment with brick motor for safety. Different models available depending on your requirement. Compatible with Lincoln welding equipment, Miller welding equipment, SAB welding equipment, etc. We can supply turnkey welding manipulator with welding equipment installed on it. Hand control for the following: boom up down, boom speed with digital display, boom in out, base forward reverse, flux recovery unit to reuse welding flux. Available with motorized base or fixed base. Other options: manual electric cross slide head, operator seat, base rails, heavy-duty frame, different voltage input to accommodate clients' needs. Need further information? Feel free to drop us a line to a mail address below. Model BCZ series. Welding manipulators for sub-arc welding. Variable boom speed to adjust to welding procedure. Motorized boom height adjustment with brick motor for safety. Different models available depending on your requirement. Compatible with Lincoln welding equipment, Miller welding equipment, SAB welding equipment, etc. Flux recovery unit to reuse welding flux.